you have now constituted 4 subgroups of the task force
Yes,
by your OM dated uh, by your OM dated 5th of September 2024.
correct, Manoj. That
Now, between 5th of September and today, what has happened?
Manoj, your Lordship would find that on page 4, para 8. Last meeting was 9th of September, but para 8.
But after 9th September, what has the task force done? No meeting after 9th?
No meeting after 9th.
Then 9th,
The
now
last
15th,
meeting was
then on the 15th of October.
Last meeting was 9th of September.
So why is there no progress between the 9th of October and today?
But I can request them to expedite because the secretary is only secretary to the body, Manoj. But the work appears to be humongous. If your Lordship sees para 8.
So we see that because they have collected data from all over the country.
That's in hundreds and thousands. For example, para 8, just read, Manoj, for
But,
your consideration.
The task force must expedite the work because.
My lords are right. Manoj, I bow down. 1,700 inputs and suggestions have been received so far, out of which approximately 37 associations and 1,500 individuals, including hospitals, have submitted their inputs. These inputs are being segregated and categorized for consideration of the concerned subgroups constituted under the National Task Force. And Manoj, page 8, we have said, Manoj, that total responses are 7,688 and 4,990 from state government and 2,436 from private sector and other categories 183. But this would be a I think whatever now the task force does, it would be a long-lasting solution, it seems. Therefore, they are also taking their time, going into each of the suggestion inputs, etc.
Order of this, pursuant to the order of this court dated 20 August 2024, the Union government issued an office memorandum on 21 August 2024, constituting a national task force at the first meeting of the MTF, which was held on 27 August 2024. 4 subgroups have been constituted to engage with stakeholders and to submit and to prepare their recommendations on the following issues. A, strengthening infrastructure of medical institutions. B, strengthening security systems in medical institutions. C, revamping working conditions of healthcare professionals. And D, strengthening of legal framework across all states. A meeting of all the conveners and member secretaries of the subgroups was held on 9 September 2024. Pursuant to the directions which were issued on 22 August 2024. A web link has been created on the website of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare for seeking inputs of various stakeholders. About 1,700 inputs and suggestions have been received, comprising of 37 associations and 1,500 individuals, including hospitals. Pursuant to the directions contained in the judgment dated 20 August 2024, The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has shared a questionnaire to all states stroke UTs, stop in pursuance thereof. 7,688 hospitals stroke medical establishments have submitted their responses. Stop. These are being evaluated by the subgroups. Stop. Presently, it appears that the National Task Force has not made any, neither the National Task Force nor the subgroups have made any substantial progress in compliance with the, in pursuant to the remit set in the orders of this court, in the order of this court. Stop. The Solicitor General has accepted that no meeting appears to have been held since the first week of September 2024. Full stop. We are of the view that the union government must make proactive efforts to ensure that the work of the task force is completed within a time schedule, within a reasonable period in the future. Full stop. Accordingly, the meetings of the task force meetings of the NTF shall be held at periodic intervals. Stop. All subgroups shall hold regular meetings so that by the next date of listing, this court is apprised of the tentative recommendations of the NTF, including its subgroups. This exercise should preferably be completed within a period of 3 weeks. We'll give 3 weeks now for the NTF to meet and complete all its work.
Only, my lord, one factual correction. When your lordships have said that we have requested the filled up questionnaires to be sent by the state governments and UTs, my lord, kindly add central and state government hospitals also. They are also, they are the real stakeholders.
Right. Now, that part is over now. NTF, the investigation, what else now remains for today, Mr. Sibal?
My lords, if we may apprise my lords as to what is happening on the ground.
Filed
During the
that
pujos-
first taken up, that affidavit.
Of the state of West Bengal?
Yes, and
Let us see your affidavit.
We received it a few minutes ago, my lords.
I have not received it yet. If
Of state of West Bengal का affidavit दे दीजिए.
you have a copy, extra copy. Master,
I'm giving a copy.
just give it.
if you have extra.
Yes.
Yeah. It's there. Filed and circulated, Lord. Paragraph 4. The little shortfall which your lordship notices, Lord, 90%, 94, 98, no, that's on account of the work to be done in RGKAR hospital, my lord, with respect to which, my lord, we got the clearances, my lord, from the CBI on 9/10/24 and 14/10/24.
Yes, para 4, sir. That page number.
Page,
H2.
All other hospital is complete.
Visit ILMS Academy for various courses from contract drafting, RTI, labor law, GST, and more. Get certified to enhance employability.
And I have instructions to submit, Milord, that even with regard to RGKAR Medical College, the work will be completed by 31st October, Milord.
Is it articulated then? Yes.
In para 7, we have indicated the committees have been formed at various levels.
Right.
Emergency alarms are also being set up as the meetings, dialogues happened, they desired it, that also is being done. All amount has been, finances have been sanctioned for that purpose.
Have biometric access features been installed, in the restrooms of and the critical areas?
Yes, that has been procured now, Milord, and that will also be by 31st October, we'll indicate that also has been.
So where will they be installed? The biometric facilities?
In the restrooms, duty rooms, and wherever the outsiders are not allowed to go.
Have you seen the affidavit which has been filed by the state of West Bengal?
We
It
have, my
appears-
lords.
I've just received it, just received it.
My lords, I've had a chance to look through it, even though we just received
Because
it.
they have now indicated that insofar as the 28 medical colleges other than RGKAR are concerned, they've given us the statistical and breakdown. Additional demands were placed in for 893 duty rooms in see page 2 and 3. They've given us the breakup of duty rooms, washrooms, lighting arrangements, and CCTV installations, where almost 90, some cases 98% or 90% of the work is done. And they are anticipating that will be completed at the latest by the 25th of October. For RGKAR also, they have said that they will complete the entire work by 25th of October.
31st.
My lords, many of our doctors are government doctors. They are in these hospitals. We have checked with them before, and we have also confirmed after this affidavit arrived, because they are all, watching and available. And nowhere near this level, some beginning has been made, but nowhere near this level of work has been done. And my lords, we do have documents that we have placed on record. Could we pass it over, what Master said? That demonstrate perhaps the reason why. And the reason why, my lords, may see at PDF, I beg your pardon, my lords, at, please hand over.
We have annexed photographs and
Page
all.
61, my lords. They've all been served, but whatever copies we have can be handed over, please.
Then you can.
It's all been served 2 days.
provided, apart from the statistical details, the budgetary outlays, they've also provided photographs in Annexure A to the work which is being
We
carried
are
out.
constantly in touch with the
Let's take a look
doctors'
at the photographs and-
associations and committees formed, Lord, and so they are inspecting their. This
My
can be
lords, may
verified
see-
only in the spot.
My lords, if I may just point out, and then of course,
Page
there will
16
be a
onward.
response. My lords, at page 59, for example,
Of their affidavit.
no, 59 of the application that I have handed over. If my lords may look at, that is where the document begins. At page 60, or rather at page 59, the bottom of page 59, it says that administrative approval is for 3 crores 35 lakhs 56,714 only. For example, this is the name of the project is Supply, Installation, Testing and Commissioning of CCTV Surveillance System and Allied Infrastructure for the NRS Medical College and Hospital at AJC Bose Road, Kolkata. Now, my lords may see that the amount.
There are
chargeable head of
300 such
accounts-
AFS which have been issued.
If I may
Not
just
only.
finish. The amount is rupee 1 for 2024-2025. And for 2025-2026, the amount is 3 crores 35 lakhs 56,713. This is not an isolated document, my lords. My lords may have the next
Why have you
page.
said for 24-25 that the budget is 1 rupee?
There are about 8
Yes, yes,
documents. And these are their documents. my lord.
yes.
There are 300 plus such works which have been sanctioned by us. Total cost 300, like this AFS is nothing, it stands for Administrative Approval and Financial Sanctions. There are 300 such works have been sanctioned. Each bear somewhere it will bear 56 lakhs, somewhere it will 3 crores. Sum total of all that stands today at 123 crores. Since this work was given to us on, suddenly this work has come, so the budgets towards the end of the year, it is reappropriated. I have that power to reappropriate from one head to another. So it will, for a software system, it will say 24, 25 rupees one or something, but as the work progresses, we reappropriate and pay the money. Works are on, contractors have worked, and they will also be paid, sir.
Anyway.
Treated as a shagun, Malo. 1 rupee usually.
No, but why
Not
don't you?
lucky, Shagun, my lord.
But ultimately, look, they have disclosed data. They have also indicated through photographs what is the nature of the work which is being carried out. We can't merely ignore what they have said on affidavit because they've said that on affidavit. At the most, we can say that, look, let this be verified. We can ask somebody to verify what is the nature of the work which is being done. That's
Right
all.
now, Bengal is the only state.
My
which
lord,
is
perhaps a
doing
local
this, in all
commissioner
other
could
states
be
it's not being
appointed
done
or
at all.
something. I mean, we are being told by our 25,000 doctors that the work is not being done at this scale.
An affidavit has been filed by the Principal Secretary in the Department of Health and Family Welfare of the Government of West Bengal. Full stop. The affidavit indicates that the state government has sanctioned work worth rupees 123 crores, of which a substantial part has been completed. Full stop. The updated status of the ongoing and completed work for 28 medical colleges has been tabulated in a chart in a table which is reproduced below. Page 2 को A copy कर दीजिए. As regards the status of the ongoing work in RGKAR Medical College, the affidavit contains the following tabulation. Page 3 को copy कर दीजिए. Mr. Rakesh Dwivedi, then Senior Counsel, has assured the court that all the ongoing work at the 20
Visit ILMS Academy for various courses from contract drafting, RTI, labor law, GST, and more. Get certified to enhance employability.
28 medical colleges would be completed by 25 October 2000.
Medical college is complete.
No,
The shortfall which your lordships are
the
noticing is
shortfall,
on account
the
of RGKAR.
the shortfall in the work in the 28 medical colleges would in any event be completed by 25 October 2024 and at the RGKAR Medical College and Hospital by 31 October 2024. Full stop. Apart from the above steps, it has been indicated that the state government has constituted, bracket 1, a state level grievance redressal committee, semicolon, a state level committee for security audit, 3, district level committees for security audit, a district level committee for security audit. Full stop. It has been stated that an initial round of security audit has been completed. Full stop. An additional 1,514 security personnel have been approved for deployment in the medical colleges and hospitals, of which 910 would be female security personnel. Stop. The verification of antecedents and necessary training is stated to have been completed in the case of 616 security personnel, brackets comprising of 328 female and 288 male security personnel. Apart from the above steps, the affidavit indicates that the state government has, by an order dated 1 October 2024, reconstituted the Rogi Kalyan Samiti of different medical colleges and has rolled out an integrated hospital management system which has 1,013 government hospitals reporting thereon. Full stop. It has been stated that the IHMS envisages capturing every step of patient treatment through online OPD ticket booking, e-prescriptions, drug dispersals from drugstores and pharmacies, and online discharge. Full stop. The state government has also taken steps on a pilot basis for monitoring real-time bed availability and online centralized referral systems.
Centralized referral system and a digital bed vacancy monitor.
Well, is there any timeline for that integrated system?
The court shall be apprised. The court shall be apprised in a period of 3 weeks from the date. The court shall be apprised within 3 weeks.
Well, may I just make one small
the progress which is made in commissioning these facilities.
a small comment on the integrated system?
Yes,
Well, we welcome
The pilot
integrated.
project is already going on in this.
that we have recorded. We have saw that in your affidavit.
Well, just hear me for a second. It is the demand of the doctors has been for an integrated system. And we are happy to note that an integrated system will be put in place. However, my lord, the real issue is referrals are made to hospitals which are incapable of handling an emergency. So the integrated referral system must ensure that the referral which is made is to a hospital which has the adequate expertise, the adequate doctors, the adequate equipment. What is happening is references are being made to hospitals which don't have this. That's why the patient gets upset. It's not about the doctors getting upset.
So
It's
the
the
pilot
patient who
project
gets
is on
upset.
and-
Please